Now let us see exercise 4.2 first question. Now see the question in triangle ABC. D and E are points on the sides AB and AC respectively such that DE parallel to BC. Okay, so this is the given thing. So they have asked two questions. The first question we are going to see if AD divided by DB is equal to 3 by 4. This meaning is AD value is 3 and DB value is 4. Okay, so after AC, the length of AC is equal to, they have given 15 centimeter. You need to find the length of AE, you need to find out. Now we are going to see the first question. First draw the diagram. So in a triangle ABC, so draw the triangle and make the letter ABC. After what they have given, D is a point on AB, E is a point on AC. Okay, so D is a point on AB. So in the AB length, D is a point. D is a point on AB. After E is a point on AC. Okay, so AC length here you have E is a point. Make it this E. After join this line. Okay, so E is a point on AC. So afterwards what they have given, D is parallel to BC. Now see, draw this line. Now these two lines are parallel or not? Yes, in your question itself they have given D is parallel to BC they have given. We need to find the length of AB in the first question. Now the first question, the given part you have to write what they have given, AD divided by DB is equal to 3 by 4. So afterwards AC is equal to 15 centimeter they have given. So here AD is equal to 3, here DB is equal to 4, separately taken, right? Now the full length AC, you know that the full length what they have given, that is 15 centimeter they have given. Okay, but in the half of the length AE value you don't know, so EC value also you don't know. But in our question they have asked to find out the AE value only they have given. Suppose here if they given any measurement means this full length subtract with this length, mean you will get this AE value. But here both half lengths they didn't mention. AE value also you don't know, EC value also you don't know. So better you have to consider what you need to find out, AE value. So that AE value you have to consider as a X. Okay, so now you can consider as a X. This how you can write, can you say? So this full length 15, this half length we have taken as a X. So this length how we can find out, the full length subtract this half length, the half length means only you will get the EC length. So how we can write 15 minus X. Can you write or not? See, the full length is 15. This length you need to find out, that length you have taken as a X. Now this full length subtract this half length only, will get the remaining EC length. Okay, so that you have to write 15 minus 6. After this side all the one they have given, AD value they have given. So AD here what is it? 3. So after DB value also they have given 4 they have given. So now you can write AE we have taken as, so what is it? X. EC then what it will come? Full length subtract with this half length, mean this the remaining length. So then both one you can subtract. So 15 minus 6. Okay, so in our question they have given DE is parallel to BC they have given. So you can use it this like if they given me, you know that they're using the BPT theorem. This line is parallel, DE is parallel to BC, mean this it divides the sides in the equal ratio, you know that. So equal ratio, so this is the given part. By using the BPT theorem you know that these two lines are parallel, means that it divides the ratio in the, it divides the sides in the equal ratio. That means what is it? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. So you can write this two things are parallel, mean you can write the sides are this ratios are equal. You can say AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Now can you apply the value? Now you can apply 3 divided by 4 and then next also you can apply X divided by 15 minus X. In between equal to you have, so then now cross multiply. So 4 into X, 4X is equal to this and this you have to multiply. So 3 into 15 minus X. Now 4X is equal to, so can you multiply inside this into this, after this into this. 3 into 15 that is 45 minus 3 into X, what is this? 3X. Now here 4X you have, so X part bring it this side. So here minus 3X if you take it on this side plus 3X. So 4X plus 3X what it will come, 7X is equal to 45. So X is equal to 45. This is a multiplication. If you transpose on this side, that is, it will become division. So 45 divided by 7. So after if you divide means it will come into the point. Okay, 6.428 it will come. So round off this number. So here the last number is 8. So if it is more 5 and more than 5 mean you can add it one number in the before the digit. Okay, so here that is the more than 5. So can you add it one number to here? So 6.43 centimeters. So you need to find out the X value only they have asked to find out. So the X value you have got it. What is it? X is equal to 6.43 centimeters. So that X value means what is it? AE value, okay, AE only we have taken as a x, so AE is equal to 6.43 centimeter. That is the answer, okay. So now see here the second question, that is a homework. So already in this the given part, DE is parallel to BC they have given. So D is, these two lines are parallel means you know that it divides the sides in the equal ratio. That means AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. So you can apply what are the values, you know that. So again you have to draw one triangle and make it this D is parallel to BC. After AD value you can write, DB value you have to write, AE value, then EC value. All the values they have given. You need to find out the X value. So how will you find out? You know that DE is parallel to BC. So then it divides the sides in the equal ratio. So you have to write by using the BPT theorem, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Then apply the values, all the values they have given, apply. Then you have to cross multiply, then find out the X value. That's the second question. That is the homework for you. Okay, so thank you.